how to find Instagram friends on Facebook. So if you want to get connected to all of the Instagram friends on your Facebook, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Facebook. From here you'll be able to export the various pages over here. At the upper are the notification bar. You can see the option like home page, videos, friends, marketplace, notification, and the profile. You just have to tap over the friends option, and over here your friends request will be available. If you tap over the suggestion, you'll be able to see the people suggestion, and also you can tap over your friends and all of your friends will be available over here. So if you tap over the suggestion, those people who you may know will be available in this section. So the real thing is, if you have connected your Instagram with Facebook, then all of the people on your Instagram will be available in your Facebook over here. So when both accounts are connected, the people you may know will be available or suggested over here, which means Instagram friends will be suggested to you on Facebook. That's the thing. And from over here you can add friends or remove as per your choice. So this is how you can find Instagram friends on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If you still have some queries, then you can answer them below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.